I'm Chris Bennett, Chief Learning Officer at Blockchain Training Alliance. And if you're looking at this course, you're probably interested in the fascinating intersection of blockchain and IoT, the Internet of Things. If you want to learn more about how blockchain is such a great facilitating technology for the world of smart and intelligent devices, this is the course for you. We'll start off with the basics, talking about what blockchain is and how the IoT revolution started. Because it's a live course, you get to ask all your questions along the way, and we can discuss whatever parts of blockchain and IoT you find the most interesting, relevant, or useful. Best of all, at the end of the course, you'll have an option to take one of our certification exams and become a certified blockchain expert. So if you're interested in learning more about the fascinating intersection between IoT, smart devices, and the decentralized world of blockchain and Web3, this is the course for you. Don't feel intimidated. You don't need to be a technical expert to learn a lot from this course. If you're a developer or coder or someone who comes from a deeply technical background, that's great. You're not going to feel left out either. So if any of this sounds interesting, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up, and hopefully I'll see you in class soon.